Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. This channel provides basics of finite element analysis and computer-aided mechanical engineering design and analysis using CAD-related software. Let's get started.
Hello friends, today I'll show modeling of a simple mechanical component. This will be exercise number 12 for the SolidWorks beginners. The model will be a simple spar gear. The model looks like this one. First of all, we have to start with the gear tooth. Let's get started. We're starting from part. And we'll start from front plane, normal to. Let's draw some circles. We've drawn 3 different circles, concentric circles. Let's see the drawing. So first of all, you have to draw some reference circle also. Like the bigger circle will be having diameter 60 millimeter, and then intermediate circle will be having radius equal to 25 millimeter. So we have to draw 3 different circles of diameter 60, 50 and 40.5. Okay, this was smart dimension to that one. This one will be 60, next one will be 50, and the inner one will be 40.5. Okay, let's see the drawing again. Now here, for getting the tooth profile, you can see we have to make the half of that one, then we can make a mirror, right? So one side you can see here it is 1.2 and other side is 3 millimeter, right? Let's draw it now. So we are starting from center line. Let's make the drawing a little bit bigger one. Okay, let's start it right now here. You can make some arcs. Another arc is required. Let's find smart dimension to this one. From here to here it will be 3 millimeter. This one will be 1.2 millimeter. Let's make this one a little bit bigger and complete the profile from spline. We can start the profile. Now little bit of curve can be made here itself. Done. Want to make this circle for construction line. Now want to make a mirror of this one with respect to this horizontal axis. Unwanted entities, you can trim it out. Now this part to be made using circular pattern. Throughout the periphery it should be made using circular pattern. It should be made in 20 numbers. Done. Now to make the drawing complete, so we have to trim out some unwanted entities, like these are not wanted. So the drawing is complete. You can exit from the sketch and that to be extruded. Select the sketch again, features, extrude boss base, and that to be extruded from the mid plane to a depth of 20 millimeter. Right? Let's see the drawing again. So we have to make 2 concentric circles of diameter 30 and 40.5, and that to be extruded by 10 millimeter from the mid plane. So again draw it from the front plane, normal to, sketch, circles. Let's for a smart dimension to this one. Drawing is complete. So exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, features, extrude boss base from the middle plane to a depth of 10 millimeter. Done. You can check the model is ready. Okay, so now we can put some color to this one and hide these sketches. Whole body, let's take blast chromium. This is the object. Thank you again. Bye.